This Fine Island Properties LLC property video is presented by Michael Buchanan, R.B. less than bedroom greater than RB 19,488. Located on the Mauka side of the street at 491 Kaiola Street, Kihei, Hawaii 96753. Which allows very good ocean and mountain views from the large covered porch. All interior walls and ceilings were just painted and the carpeting throughout the home has been replaced. There are vaulted ceilings in the living area and the large master bedroom. A large master bathroom with a large tub and walk-in shower and walk-in closet adjoin the master. Central air conditioner and double insulated glass throughout make this home very comfortable. An automatic sprinkler system and room for a cottage round out this well-built home. Call a local realtor for a showing. See attachment for PA requirements and WFHM offer submittal information in MLS document section. To report any concerns with a listing broker/agent or to report any property condition or other concern needing escalation, including concerns related to a previously submitted offer or information on how to place an offer, please call a local realtor. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Buchanan, R.B. less than bedroom.